In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show payments on an invoice in QuickBooks. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look to confirm whether a customer payment is linked to a specific invoice and how to open the payment details for a clear, audit-friendly view. Make sure you're signed in to QuickBooks Online with access to sales and invoices, and that you're working in the correct company file. From your QuickBooks home screen, move your cursor to the area where QuickBooks groups shortcuts and workflows, and hover over All Apps. This opens a panel of categories that organize common tasks. Hovering is helpful here because it reveals the tools you need without leaving the page you're on. Next, glide over to the Sales and Get Paid category. This section bundles everything related to your sales cycle: estimates, invoices, payments, and customer activity. So it's the fastest route to your invoice list when you're tracking down payment information. Go ahead and click Invoices. You'll land on the invoice list where you can see key details like customer name, status, due date, and open balance at a glance. This view is great for a quick health check of your receivables. If the list is long, you'll notice options on the page that help you narrow things down. But for now, focus on the invoice you want to review. Select the invoice you're interested in. Opening the invoice shows you the full document and its current status, such as paid, partial, or open. When a payment has been recorded and applied, QuickBooks highlights that connection so you can confirm the amount received and the remaining balance, if any. This is especially useful when you're answering a customer question or reconciling your accounts, because it ties the money into the invoice it belongs to. Now, click View Payment. This takes you directly to the payment transaction that's linked to the invoice. Here, you can review the payment date, amount, method, any reference information, and exactly how the payment was applied across one or more invoices. If a payment only covered part of the invoice, this screen makes that clear. It's also a handy place to verify that the payment landed in the right account and to confirm the audit trail for your records. That's all there is to it. Hover over All Apps, hover over Sales and Get Paid, click Invoices, select the invoice, and choose View Payment. If you don't see the View Payment option, the invoice may not have a recorded payment yet, or your user role may not allow viewing payment transactions. Following these steps ensures you can quickly validate customer payments and keep your invoicing workflow accurate and transparent.